Hello and welcome to our Christmas workshop. We are as always Arne and Carlos.
And this year we have 4 Christmas specials for you on each of the Sundays of Advent. So we start today with the first of Advent, and I suppose we need to light a candle.
You need to light a candle.
So do you want to do it?
No, you can do it.
Okay.
You're closer.
And we better be careful because we are near all this acrylic yarn and I don't want to set the house on fire. So let's try. This one didn't work. So let's do the first candle for the first Sunday of Advent. And we are very, very happy to be able to bring you these tutorials this year. As you can see, Arne and I are wearing identical Norwegian sweaters.
This is our Christmas workshop outfit.
Yes, we are kind of dressed up as Norwegian Christmas elves this year.
These are actually all jackets from Norway, made in Norway once. We don't know when, but this one is from Florence.
Yeah, we found this in June when we went to Florence for Pitti Filati.
And this one comes from
Williamsburg,
Brooklyn.
And
so
we
and
got
the same pattern,
the same pattern, and we got the one Arne has. We got that in October when we were in New York after doing an event at String Yarns.
Yeah, so now we have matching jackets,
matching Norwegian jackets for the perfect Christmas feeling. So now we're getting into our Christmas mode, and every time Arne gets into the Christmas mode, he brings out the glitter yarn.
Yeah, and Carlos is not so happy about my glitter because I like a lot of glitter for Christmas, and we'll see what we do.
Yeah, so this year I have allowed Arne to do some decorating with the glitter. As you can see behind us, there is a little bit of glitter there in all these gaudy colors. I have to say, I'm more of a wool person, so I'm knitting with the glitter, and it's actually quite fun because we're doing our knitted tinsel this year.
Yes, so we will show you how we do tinsel.
How to knit tinsel.
And like it's called, is it called I-cord in English?
Yeah, the technique.
I-cord.
The technique that we're using is the I-cord, and in order to knit tinsel, you need the following. You need glitter yarn. Any glitter yarn will do. This is an, I don't even remember the brand because we threw away the banners. But anyway, as you can see, it's a yarn with glitter on it. And then you need a pair of needles and just 2 needles this time.
Yeah.
And then you knit the glitter using I-cord until you have no more yarn, and then you'll have a long piece of knitted tinsel.
Yeah, and this is a technique we learned like a few years ago, and we went to a knitting retreat in Norway, and there was a lady who showed us the I-cord, because we didn't do it before. So like when we did the Magnus, the mouse, we made the tail with 3 needles. So we were knitting on the round with 3 needles. But now we know we can do the I-cord. So this is actually knitted with I-cord, this tail. Yeah.
And if you want to know what the I-cord, what the I in I-cord stands for, it's not an Apple product, for sure. The I stands for idiot. So it's the idiot cord. This is not something I'm making up. I'm not calling anybody here an idiot. But apparently the I-cord is so easy that even an idiot can learn it very quickly. Therefore,
I learned it at once. It was so
and I learned it at once too. So that makes us a couple of I-cords, I suppose.
Actually, now we will show you how we do it, but we can't do it on this with the glitter yarn because you can't see anything.
Yeah, I dropped a stitch here and I found it.
Oh, good, because it's really hard to find a stitch if you drop it. So we will show it on, or I can show it on bigger needles and with the wool yarn. And you can knit your tinsel. You see, you get into, you don't like it, but you really get into it. Now you're like,
but
I'm losing you.
I think the I-cord is fun. I'm so happy I finally learned it. And now I'm just doing the I-cord and it's really fun.
But I promise you, sooner or later before Christmas, I will put the tinsel down from the wall and put it out somewhere because...
You promise?
Yeah.
Can you put it out far away?
No, not far away.
Not far away.
I like to see it.
Okay.
I like some glitter.
But anyway, we'll get it out of the house, which is...
Yeah. So let's do some I-cord. So what you do is you need 2 needles and then you cast on 4. That's at least what we do. We cast on 4 stitches on the needle, like this. Then when you knit it, you just pull this one back to the beginning and then you knit the 4 like this.
So you knit your 4 stitches.
So you just knit 4 stitches. And now these are in the front of the needle. Now you pull them over.
You slide them over to the right.
And then you start knitting again in the first. And like this.
So yeah, so it's very easy. It's knit and slide. So you knit your 4 stitches, then you slide them over to the right. When you do that, the yarn will be on the left side. It doesn't matter. You just take the yarn from the left side and you knit it again as you normally would. And that creates the little thing that goes around and around and around, like the tail of Magnus Mouse. And as you can see, we've done a lot of festive Magnus Mouses. They are mice, sorry. So they are behind us on our plates, on our Christmas display that we have this year. This year we decided that we're going to do a Christmas station. This is the Christmas headquarters. This is ARNE and Carlos Christmas headquarters.
This is where
home of the 2 helpers of Santa.
Yeah, so this is where Santa Claus lives.
Yeah, well, not Santa Claus. This is where the helpers, that is you and me, live.
Okay.
So this is the station that you'll be seeing throughout our Christmas specials this year. We've got it all set up. We've got our beautiful poinsettias. We've got our Advent candle holder and the tablecloth. We have used this tablecloth many times before, and I do have to answer a question because a lot of people wonder about it. This is a favorite tablecloth of mine. It comes out every Christmas, and it was made by my grandmother. Now, you've heard a lot about Arne's grandmother, and we promise you that in 2019 you'll be hearing more about my grandmother.
He also has a grandmother
who was a remarkable woman.
He's not like Jesus.
What?
You have a grandmother. You're not like Jesus, the birth of the Virgin.
Oh, no.
I'm trying to be funny here, but no one...
Sorry, I don't get it. But anyway, my grandmother was a remarkable woman
and
too.
I'm trying not to laugh because I had a comment. People thought my laugh was annoying because I'm laughing too much.
Yeah.
So now I'm quiet.
Yeah. Anyway. I didn't understand Arne's joke. Sometimes I don't because my humor is very dry, as people already know. But anyway, my grandmother was a remarkable woman, and you'll hear more about her next year. But in the meantime, she did embroider this very beautiful tablecloth. I don't know where she got the pattern from. I've had this forever. I probably had it for 20 or 30 years even.
I think you got it when your parents moved to Spain.
No, I had it before that.
Before?
Yeah. And anyway, so the tablecloth is in place, our poinsettias are in place, and our Advent candle holder.
And there's more I-cord on the way.
Yeah, and the monstrosity glitter that we have behind us of glitter that Arne has created just for this year, that we look forward to taking out of the house once we're done.
Yeah, and I don't think we can say much more about this knitting.
No, it's very easy. The I-cord is basically...
We shouldn't make it more difficult than it is. If it's I-cord, it should be easy.
So shall we do it one more time and slowly so that people can catch it?
Like if people are idiots.
Yeah, well.
No, sorry. Oh, now we get a lot of bad comments.
No, don't worry about it. Just do it again one more time. People will see the I-cord. Then I suppose some of you will go out to get this glitter that you might as well be aware. Do not keep close to the flame. So put it over here. And then you're ready to go.
So you knitted 4 stitches. You slide them back where you on the needle like this. Then you knit these 4 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slide. That's easy. And what can you use the I-cord for? Yes, you can use the I-cord for glitter. You can use it for the tail of the mouse. You can use it, like you can make a lot of them and put them on your hat.
You could do fringes on a scarf.
Yeah, fringes on a scarf. You can do, those what do you call that? Put them on your keys.
Yes.
What's that called?
Keychains.
Keychains.
So the easiest stitch in the world, the I-cord, that anybody should be able to do. And I hope that, yeah, we're going to be doing I-cord now. And
I think we should stop now.
Okay.
we can't say more about 4 stitches.
No, we can't say more about 4 stitches. I have a lot to say about this glitter, but I won't be saying it now.
You're not saying it now?
No.
And this glitter will stay until the night before Christmas or something.
And then it'll go away.
And then it go somewhere
conveniently away. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a big thumbs up. If you think that we're insane to knit glitter like this, you can still give it a thumbs up, I think. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. Next week and the week after, we will be doing some food episodes because a lot of people really love it when we cook. So we're gonna do some cooking episodes. You're gonna be cooking. I'm gonna make you do a few things as well. These are episodes where we both participate, Arne. You're not only gonna eat, you're gonna cook as well. So we look forward to seeing you these coming weeks. And hopefully you'll get ready for Christmas together with us. So thank you so much for watching and see you again in 1 week.
Bye.
Bye.